Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ewelina and welcome to another Polish lesson. Hopefully the sound is good and you can hear me well. I am in a different spot. I wanted to be in nature. I love the nature, but it is close to a street. So hopefully the sound is okay. But I prepared a really cool lesson today. I am going to just read it to you and kind of present to you a basic Polish conversation. I've done it in the past, like long time ago. So I just wrote down a little conversation that you could possibly have with your Polish friend, maybe on the phone. Yeah, I have these conversations with my dad as well, because my dad is still in Poland, if you didn't know. But I'm going to read it to you first without any translation. Hopefully, it is very basic, so hopefully you can understand a lot of it. First, I'm going to read it pretty slow. I will read it again in a normal tone as I would be speaking to my friend or my dad in Polish. And then we're going to translate the whole thing together. I believe that the best way to learn any language is by listening and repeating. Just like when we were kids, we were not studying grammar at first. We were listening either to our parents, maybe to the TV, maybe to the radio, whatever it was. And the more you listened, the more it started to make sense, and it's just a repetitive thing. So I decided I'm going to do more of videos like this when maybe I am reading to you something in Polish, or I'm making a conversation, a regular conversation that I would be having with my dad or my friend or whoever. And I hope this will help. So let's get started. Cześć! No cześć! Co robisz? Nic takiego. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? Może. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść później. No dobra. A o której? No ja będę gotowa o 12. No to super. Do zobaczenia. Okay, to cześć. Okay, so now I'm going to say it just in a regular tempo, I guess, in the regular speed as I would be speaking to a Polish person. Cześć. No cześć. Co robisz? A nic takiego. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? Może. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść później. No dobra. To o której? No ja będę gotowa o 12. No to super. Do zobaczenia. No pa. So before I start translating the whole thing, I just wanted to mention that you probably heard me saying a może, or what else did I say? A nic takiego. So the a, which is a in English, a in Polish, doesn't mean anything. It's just kind of like a it's kind of like a nothing much, like but we say a nic takiego, a może później, a dobra. It's kind of like it's okay. Don't know why we say this, but you can hear this very, very often when you speak with the Polish person. So let's get into translating, which I'm sure you understood a lot. I hope so. So we start from the easiest part, which is cześć. And in Polish, cześć means hi. So hi in Polish, cześć. 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 I know a lot of you have that problem with saying this word, and I don't blame you, but cześć. All right, next one, I'm looking here because I have my notes. Next one is no cześć. Like, oh hey, kind of like, oh hey. So again, we say no cześć. Doesn't mean anything. It just means hey, like cześć, hi. But we say no cześć. No meaning nothing, like literally doesn't mean anything. We just added something. Co robisz? What are you doing? In Polish, we say, co robisz? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing now? Co robisz? Co robisz? Co robisz? Co robisz? What are you doing? A nic takiego, which means like, nothing. Not much, nothing. A nic takiego. A nic takiego. A nic takiego. If you say nic takiego, means the same thing. We just added a for no reason. We just do that. A nic takiego. Nic takiego. Not much. Nothing much. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? Would you like to go with me to the park? Would you like to go with me to the park? Chcesz iść ze mną, with me, ze mną, do parku. Do parku. To the park. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku. Chcesz... This one is a hard one too. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? 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 Listen and repeat and just learn, memorize, just memorize. If you memorize it, then you don't have to worry about the grammar. Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? Chcesz iść ze mną do parku? Może. Maybe. Może. Maybe. Może. Może tak, a może nie. Which maybe yes, maybe no. Może tak, a może nie. Nie wiem. I don't know. Nie wiem. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść później. If you would like, we can go and eat something afterwards. If you would like, we can go and eat something afterwards. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść później. I know. This one is a iść, jeść, zjeść. Iść and zjeść. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść. Iść coś zjeść później, later. Później. Iść coś, something, zjeść, to eat, later, później. Jak chcesz, to możemy iść coś zjeść później. No dobra. Again, no has no meaning, but we just say like, okay. Like, no dobra. Like, that sounds good. No dobra. Sounds good. No dobra. Okay. To o której? What time? Or you can just say o której. O której. But for the most part, you will hear saying to o której. To o której. Like, so what time? It's more like so what time. So what time? To o której. To o której. To o której. So what time? No ja będę gotowa o 12. I will be ready at noon. Or 12. I will be ready at 12. Well, I will be ready at 12. No ja będę gotowa o 12. Or you can say będę gotowa o 12. Będę gotowa o 12. Ja będę gotowa, or guy, gotowy. Ja będę gotowy o 12. Będę gotowa o 12. Or if you're a guy, będę gotowy o 12. No ja będę gotowa o 12. Or ja będę gotowy o 12. No to super. Kind of like super. It's great. That's great. No to super. No to super. Great. Do zobaczenia. See you soon. Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. Do zobaczenia. See you soon. Do zobaczenia. And the last person says cześć or no cześć. No pa. Okay, pa. Okay. You can say okay, you can say cześć, you can say do zobaczenia, you can say pa. Whatever you like. Alright, you guys, and this would be it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and I hope you enjoyed this type of lesson. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos as always. What else? I wanted to tell you that I have like a very basic 3 videos for just the beginners. If you're just starting to learn Polish, if you would like to sign up or put your email down in the description box, I have a link and you will get free access to 3 videos, my videos, for for a beginner if you're starting to learn Polish, I think. And if you're not a beginner, I still think you will benefit from it, or you just have a good practice. But anyways, I thought I'm just gonna mention that, and yeah, I will be heading home now, and if you would like to follow me on my social media or my Instagram, all the links are down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching i do zobaczenia wkrótce. Bye. Ciałusy. Całusy i buziaki. Do zobaczenia wkrótce. Bye.